Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a title in After Effects using Video Copilot Saber. Saber is a free plugin from Video Copilot that allows you to create stunning light effects in your After Effects projects. In this tutorial, we will use Saber to create an animated title that looks like it's made of glowing energy. To get started, create a new composition. Next, add your text to the composition by adding a new text layer. Type in your desired text and adjust the font, size, and color as desired. Now add a new solid layer, and with that layer selected, go to the Effects menu, scroll down to Video Copilot, and select Saber. This will add the Saber effect to your solid layer. Under Customize Core, change the core type to Text Layer. Under Text Layer, select the text you created earlier. You should now see text converted into Saber graphics. Turn off the text layer. Select a preset for your effect. There are many to choose from. To animate the title, you can use keyframes to adjust the position, scale, and opacity of the text layer. You can also use the Saber effect to create dynamic, animated effects. Once you are satisfied with your title, you can export it by going to File and Export and then selecting Add to Render Queue. From here, you can adjust the render settings and then click on Render to export your title. Congratulations! You have successfully created a title in After Effects using Video Copilot Saber. With the Saber effect, you can create stunning, animated titles that look like they are made of glowing energy. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you have fun experimenting with Saber and other After Effects effects in your projects.
That's pretty neat.